Hey RGCP, I'd like to talk about my Famicom D system. Chairman Ed Esteban and I had discussed about it last night. Most of the problem in our Famicom disk is a broken belt, and there is this search for a cheap replacement without ordering parts from Japan. I think I have a candidate for a cheap replacement. I just discovered it by accident. I did some experiments yesterday and it worked once. I managed to load Galaga but nothing else, so I tried adjusting different settings. The last setting I adjusted is the motor speed. I think I set it to the max and burned itself. Now it doesn't work, so it's technically, my experiment is inconclusive. I have another FDS here that uses original replacement belt and it's working fine. I just don't want to mess with it anymore. I'll just find another FDS to experiment on. I'll have to remind you that replacing the belt is just the first part, and the next part of fixing your FDS is to adjust the spindle hub. You need to realign it back to factory settings. I'll show you later on. Let's focus on the belt. Use an old tire interior like this one. I don't know, you can even call it a floaty. Just slice it like a salami and there you go. It's an instant belt with good traction quality. Okay, just take these 3 screws off, then replace the belt. As you can see, whenever I spin the motor, the gears on this side also spins, and that's what we want. Please work. Please work. Please work. Work. Okay, the next step is important. You need to realign the spindle hub. What you do is you take the cover off. You need to rotate the spindle clockwise until you hear a click. As soon as you hear the click, stop. Yes. There, stop. The screw on the spindle right here should face directly towards the drive head. Okay, if it's not facing the drive head, you should adjust it. So basically that's how you align the spindle hub. What I meant is this screw should be facing the drive head. Next step, of course, is to test it. Come here. Also, when testing, it is important that you replace the front cover, also the springs on this side. Remember that this is a high precision device. Everything must be correct. If you don't want to replace a spring, of course, that is okay. Just apply pressure on top of this cover. If you get errors number 21, 22 or 23, just realign the spindle hub just for a few degrees at a time, then test again. And that's basically how you fix your FDS. It will take you some time to get it correctly, so don't be discouraged. Just keep on trying. Once you get the correct settings right, your FDS should behave like this. Let's try a more exotic game. I really wish I could fix the spare FDS, but it's impossible without a working motor. If you have a spare, perhaps you can lend it to me and I'll try to fix it. So again, I hope this video is helpful. If you decide to try it yourself, then let us know in RGCP how it goes. And as usual, thank you for watching. Till next time.